Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your vintage Zenith watch. Here we have a vintage Zenith Zenithissimo Swiss-made mechanical watch with a manual winding option. This means that we need to manually wind the watch, so we do not have an automatic movement. And we wind the watch by rotating the watch crown to the right, so in a clockwise direction, just like this. You can also hear the watch wind, and something really important is that you can wind mechanical watches on average around 20 times. Now if you have a larger power reserve of 72 hours, maybe even 5 days, you can wind the watch even more. Now something really important, especially with vintage mechanical watches, is that at some point you are going to feel a lot of resistance. So the resistance to your winding is going to grow as you keep on winding the watch. And this means that you are getting closer and closer to the maximum threshold that specific model or watch can be winded. Once you reach that maximum threshold, so once you feel the resistance to be very powerful, make sure to stop, because you do not want to go past that threshold, as you can actually break the watch. So once you feel the resistance, so it becomes hard to wind, stop. You do not need to reach the maximum, and then you can put the watch on your wrist and enjoy your watch. Also, in order to set the time, simply push the crown to the last position, rotate the watch hands always in a clockwise direction, and then once you have set the time, simply push the crown all the way back in and you are done. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. If you found it useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to watch even more content about watches, vintage watches, watch related content. Make sure to follow this channel guys, subscribe, like, comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.